Okay then. Okay.
He looks so cute.
Hi everyone. We just took the insulation out and I'm very scared of anything toxic, so I feel like I'm in the middle of a nuclear war. I'm trying to pretend like I'm not, and that this is fine. But today we have something very exciting we're working on, and that is I am going to learn how to drill out the rivets, and Lynn is going to teach me. Back up, Lynn.
My woman.
So, how do you do this?
So when you go to do it, the actual trick is you don't want to put a whole bunch of pressure on it. You actually want to let the drill do all the work. So you see how I'm not really putting a whole bunch of pressure on it? You have it going forward. You see how the drill's kind of doing all the work? Okay, so here it goes. See that? And it's real easy. It just pushes right through. Cool?
Because you are the man.
I'm not the man. I'm just the dude.
Playing another dude?
I know who I am. I'm a dude playing a dude disguised as another dude.
Movie reference number 943.
One of my favorite movies, Tropic Thunder. See how easy it is? Just so boom. That comes out. So they put these in obviously to protect all these little heads here. So we'll save them. See, that was one of those ones I was talking about where it sits there and spins and the drill can't do its job. If you get one of those that starts spinning on you, what I do is, as I'm drilling it, like say it was spinning on me, then I'll rock it a little bit to try to catch it, because then it like makes it bite on itself. Just don't go too crazy with it. Does that make sense? So what we'll do is we'll leave this one, and you're going to drill out all of these till about this one or so, or we'll make it this one. Drill all those out, leave this one, then drill all these out, and we'll leave this one, then we'll drill all these out, we'll leave this one, and then we'll drill all these out and leave this one. And then that way when we do the 4, like we can kind of be set up to like kind of catch this thing if it starts to come down, okay? There you go. Faster, honey. You gotta get the speed going faster. There you go. Yeah, it gets tiring after a while. It's okay. Even I have to take a break, honey, every once in a while.
I do.
I thought you did great, baby.
Okay. It's so hard. Drilling is hard.
You know how I feel now. That's it.
So, I did it. I did it.
Let me just take
How did I do on my riveting? Drilling.
Did pretty good, I think.
So, it was harder than I expected, actually, because I couldn't see very well. And it's like holding it up and trying to get it in position without pushing onto the actual rivet, because you were saying not to push into it, but then trying to still keep it steady enough, like above my head. That was not easy.
You just want to have it, I think it's just a finesse thing. Like,
Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybe she's born with it.
Well, that's what they said.
Or maybe it's finesse.
Who said that?
You just did.
They did.
They.
Them.
The infamous they.
The NFL. No, well, it's hard when it's over your head, but I think the thing that you just have to get used to is like, I want to, like, just see how it's like, that's pushing in the chuck. You want to have pressure on it, but not so much that it's pushing that in until you get it going. And then once you get it going, then you can, and then push through. So it's just, you got all these ones on the side to practice
easier
on.
Doing it like this instead of up.
Right.
Above me. Show you a before picture real fast, and people think
now?
that is the after picture, and we did all the work, and we're like, no, actually, we ripped all of that out, and they're like, you are dumb, but we're not dumb because as we've taken it out, we've seen a ton of rot, so we know we needed to do this. There's a lot to be refurbished in this Airstream. The more we take apart, the more we realize it needed to be done.
But I don't think it's that bad.
No.
It's never that bad. That's something to keep in mind. It's never that bad.
It's not as bad as that one we saw that we were
almost gonna buy
with that poor kid whose dad was like, get this thing off of my property. That thing.
How much did he want for that?
Like $1,500.
Yeah, he started at like 2,000.
Maybe it was 2,000.
We were like, dude, there's nothing here. Like, we'd have to recreate everything.
Yep. So Lynn's heading back out for business. Maybe I will do some drilling while he's gone. Maybe I'll just do some videos about toilet paper. Actually, I am going to do one about toilet paper. Or some kind of non-toxic food item. We'll see. But thanks for watching and sticking with us as we pulled this thing apart. Yeah. And don't forget, live trailer talks on Sunday mornings.
Maybe we could figure out a way where I could do it with you via Skype.
That would be cool. All right, everybody. Well, happy 2019. It's the new year.
Happy New Year.
May all acquaintance be forgot. Da 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 da. May all. Bye.
Bye.